How to change green screen background in InShot. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your green screen background in InShot. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up the video editor InShot, and now first what you want to do is you want to load up, or you want to open up the background that you want to use as on your green screen video. So I'll just open up video here option, tap on new, and then you can choose blank, or if you wish I'll just tap on blank and I'll just select this option. Right now I'll use this as my background. Now in order to edit this background, you can select the background option here, tap on background option, and here you can add an image, or you can choose a particular color. Here I'll just choose this color. Now next thing what you want to do is you want to add the video. Now tap on peep option here and then select the video that you wish to add with the green screen. Now I just have, you can see here, I'll just crop this a bit, and you can see it's green on background, green background. Right now in order to remove the green background here, green screen, what you want to do is you want to swipe to the right, tap on chroma option, select the green screen part, and then you can increase its strength and increase the shadows option here, decrease strength a little, and now you can see it's gone, the green screen. And if I play this video right here, so this way you can change green screen background in InShot. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.